Welcome to another day in Lisbon, and we are now travelling to Sintra and Cascais through Get Your Guide tour, and I'm so excited. So let's go on this tour. So we are here now at Pena Palace, exploring the grounds, which is really cool architectural influence, and also let's go take a look at the grounds at the highest peak. If you know me, I'm not a big fan of custard, but I'd say pretty decent, pretty good, sugary, crunchy. Yeah, I can get behind this. Sun's out, we're just about to go on the regular tour. Yeah, enjoying it. So we are here in the caves, and we're just going into the light, as they say. And so we are out of the light. I don't feel like a changed man, but that was a spectacle indeed. So if you're ever in town, go to Sintra and go visit Rigaleira, as it won't disappoint. So we are now in Cascais, and let's go see this hassle. So we are here at LX Factory, and it's one of the coolest spots in Lisbon to go visit. I'm not too sure what to expect, but let's see what it has to offer.